Guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can create like a Google form for like customer feedback. For instance, it's like on like a restaurant or something. I'm just going to name it restaurant, and I'm going to type in we appreciate your feedback. And for the first question, I'm just going to type in like full name, and then I'm going to select short answer for that, and then oops, can I type it in? Thank you. I'm going to add another one. I'm going to name it email. Again, short answer. And then phone number as well. And then again, a short answer. Then I'm going to add in another one, which is location you visited. I'm going to select multiple choice on that one. I'm just going to type in LA, for instance, and like add another option, or press add other if there's like more than those locations. Then I'm going to press the add question again, and I'm going to add in like dine in or takeout, and then you're going to type in dine in or takeout, for instance. This is just an example, by the way. Oops, I don't know why it's not typing correctly. Then, for instance, oops, cannot spell takeout apparently. For the first question, I'm going to type in date visited as well. And then select short answer for that. Oh, actually, it says like date here, so there you go. Press the plus button again, and then I'm going to type in, for instance, like food quality. Then you're going to type in excellent, good, fair, dissatisfied, and you're going to just type in like more questions that you want to ask, like service quality, stuff like that, and you're just going to type in the same thing here. Oh, actually, there's these ones. There are these ones, so you don't have to type it one by one like me. And then you're just going to go to settings as well, and then you can like collect email addresses as well here, verified or like responder input. And then let's see, hold on. Yeah, just collect it, like verified or responder input, and then just select send and copy the link here, and then you can like fill in the forms. You can like add it to, okay, press this one, full name and stuff like that, and then it will be in the responses button here. So if I just took the quiz real quick, let's not visited, blah blah blah, and stuff like that. You can also enable the required, but I'm not sure where it is. Oh, I think it's in responses. So like here it is required to add in your full name and also your email, but not like your phone number and stuff like that. But that is it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!